Here's a very quick video on how to open your buttonholes without risking them splitting. So what we do is we take a pin, and with our pin just put it above the last set of bar tacks, so just above the last zigzag here. So when you take your unpick or your quick pick and you slice through, the metal of the pin will stop you from getting out of control and slicing through your fabric, because just when you think you're not going to do it and you have it under control, one day you will. Safety first. So I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you again soon.